Hello Hacktubers and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you a very cool and little bit dangerous idea that you can make using this pull flyback transformer that is pulled out from old board from old TV. And also you can use this kind, but this one is damaged, the core is missing, so that's why I'm using this one. Yes, I'm gonna desolder the transformer from this board. This board is from mini TV, but we'll do the job just to pull out from the board, and I'm gonna show you the next step. Also, I don't need this wire. I'm gonna solder another. Using only 3 parts or 3 electronic components, you can make a high voltage plasma generator. Yes, you will need one resistor 200 ohms, one MOSFET transistor. I'm using Z44N, and the transformer that I pull out from the board from the old TV. Before assembling everything, I need to tell you how to add the coils on the transformer. It's the simplest circuit diagram for making a high voltage plasma generator, and you can see I have already wound the copper coils on the transformer, and here it is the transformer. You need to wind 3 turns from the copper wire, connect them together and proceed to another 3 turns and end. We have beginning 3 turns, middle 3 turns and end. On the middle you will connect positive 5 volts, on end we'll add the resistor that is connected to the gate of the MOSFET. The drain from the MOSFET is connected to the beginning of the coil. Ground goes to the source of the MOSFET, and positive, as I said, on the middle of copper wires. And this wire will generate the arc. I'm just gonna solder right here the wire, and you will see how it's working. Little bit dangerous. Please do not try this at home if you don't know what you are doing. That's why I'm gonna show you how it's working. Okay, so soldering the end of coils to the resistor, going to the gate. Now the middle leg from the MOSFET go to the beginning of the coil. Come on, man. It's solid? Yes. Okay. Here go positive, here go ground, 5 volts. I'm ready. Okay, everything is okay. I set my power supply to 5 volts, and to mention, this will draw a lot of current, so I limit to 2 amps. And the negative go right here to mention, and the MOSFET needs a heatsink, and the positive go here. You can see it's pulling 2 amps and the voltage dropped to 4.2 volts. And take a look. Wow! Also, you can hear the sound. I need to turn off the lights so you can see better. A small plasma generator. with high voltage. I do not recommend to touch that. It will hurt a lot. I have a generator and having a good time playing with this. Okay, what will happen if I close the C-fill valve? What? This is cool. Still 2 amps, and by the way, you can start a fire. Look, a fire using a plasma generator. Alright. Now I'm gonna try to start the match. Yes! Alright. This is super fun and dangerous. Please do not try this at home. I hope you enjoyed today's experiment, and this is blowing my mind. Using only 3 components or 3 parts to make this plasma generator. The transformer, the MOSFET and the resistor. Alright. I will make more experiments like this, for sure. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!